continuing on, we just got done talking about how the special right triangles, you really need to know the sides of the right triangles. The other thing you're going to need to know, which is going to be really important, is when you get down to this unit circle, obviously all of these values are going to be the ones that you need to be able to figure out using the special right triangles that we just talked about. But there are the 4 points that are not, where you cannot use a special right triangle. Okay, we cannot use SOHCAHTOA when we are dealing with basically our main coordinate points. So what I mean by that is all of these points right here. So the one that's right on the x-axis over here, the one that is up here, the one that's to the left, and the one that's down here. So this is 1, 0, and this is at 0 degrees and 0 radians. This up here is at 0, 1, which is at 90 degrees and pi halves radians. Over here is -1, 0, which is at 180 degrees and pi radians. And then down here is at 0, -1, which is 270 degrees and 3 pi over 2 radians. You need to know all of your sine and your cosine values there. That is very important, and even the tangent. So what we have here is, let's remind you, again, I know you've seen this a lot, sine is the y value. Cosine is the x value. And then now we're going to make sure that you understand tangent. Not only is tangent opposite over adjacent, but tangent is going to be the same as the y over the x, which is also sine divided by cosine. So if you ever want to know what the tangent of any of these values are, yes, you can use the opposite over adjacent, which is what I recommend, but you could also divide the two. You could do y divided by x, and that would also give you what the tangent value is as well. So it is important for you to know these. Now, last thing, and it's going to have this involved with it, is just being able to do these things. So let's make sure that we understand what we're talking about here. If I wanted you to do the sine of 90 degrees, you would need to, one, realize that your sine is your y value, and at 90 degrees, the y value is 1. So it is important for you to be able to do that. Notice there's no triangles being drawn. It's just that you knowing that if you were to draw the coordinate plane, 90 degrees is up here, this coordinate is 0, 1, and the sine value is the 1. If we do tangent of, say, 360 degrees, that is going to be y over x. So at 360 degrees, we are right here. So the y value is 0. The x value is 1, so we do 0 divided by 1, which is equal to 0. And then the last one, cosine of 270. So again, we go down here, that's cosine, that's where 270 degrees is at. That coordinate is 0, -1, and the cosine is the x value, so that value is going to be 0. Okay, so that's it. That's all I got. I will see you in class.